So these are the next gen Ray-Ban Meta glasses. They look and feel exactly like a pair of Ray-Ban glasses, but can also capture your point of view, take calls, live stream, and listen to music, and also it has Meta AI built in. I've partnered with Meta and have had the chance to use these glasses for a year now, and in this video, I'll share all the cool features packed into this insane form factor and how this tech transforms your day-to-day life. Starting with the design, this is a gadget that doesn't look like tech at all. It looks like a normal pair of Wayfarer sunglasses in matte black. They also have transition lenses, which means they're light responsive, going from clear indoors like right now, and then also stepping outside in the sun, they adapt and then become fully dark. As glasses, they're both stylish and filled with incredible tech features that I've been using daily, because it's only when you take a much closer look do you realize that these glasses have a sliding power button, inbuilt cameras, a capture button, and slightly larger hinges and arms to encase all the tech that powers these glasses. The case here also doubles up as the charger through its USB-C connection with 4 hours of battery life on one charge and up to 36 hours with a fully charged case. So the design of the case and the sunglasses together is really what makes this piece of tech really impressive. I use it like any other pair of sunglasses, but this pair in specific has a load of tech and features. The lightweight design means they're pretty comfortable for all-day wear, and I love how they seamlessly blend style with tech. So putting these on, you can start hands-free video recording by either holding down the capture button or by using your own voice. Once it's on, the capture LED here lets others know that you're recording content or going live. So it captures my point of view through the inbuilt ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera, and what you're seeing right now is the footage captured through these lenses. So these lenses have transformed the way that I've captured memories and content over the year. Being able to capture exactly what I'm seeing at any second through these glasses is actually lots of fun. From small moments like just walking down the street of a new city and soaking in all the sights and sounds while I'm traveling, to bigger moments like watching the Champions League finals in London, capturing all those moments right from the glasses without any extra devices is really such a joy. Sure, we can capture this with a phone, but what's special about the Ray-Ban Meta glasses is that they don't take away from being in the moment. While most people are looking through their phone screens, you're able to capture your point of view while just soaking in the surroundings without a screen. It's quite special. The footage is pretty decent, the video stabilization is great, and even the audio captured sounds pretty good too. The other big feature is integrated Meta AI, which has been improving over the last few months. The AI integration allows you to basically use your voice to record and send voice messages, set reminders, and even help you remember where you parked your car. One of the coolest AI features though has to be using these glasses to ask exactly what I'm looking at. So when you use Meta AI with vision, your glasses will capture an image of what you're currently looking at and then deliver an audio response. Speaking of the open ear audio system, they let you take calls hands-free or even listen to music without switching over to earbuds. I've used these when I was kayaking to listen to music or just to take a call while walking around without earbuds on. And you can even control the music by using the touchpad on the side, swiping or tapping to change the volume or to play and pause. They're of course not going to sound as good as dedicated earbuds, but they actually have fantastic audio quality for the fact that they're, well, just AI glasses. There's also the 5 microphone array on board these glasses that capture the audio in video recordings, and here's what it sounds like. So after using these for a year, I think overall they're a great pair of glasses with loads of functionality that help you capture memories, yet still be in the moment or even bring more value to certain situations and moments. I've been literally using it as a pair of glasses with the added benefit of capturing moments, memories with a tap of a button, getting insights through Meta AI, and taking calls and listening to music without earbuds. So yeah, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are probably one of the most interesting and practical pair of AI glasses yet. If you're interested in getting a pair for yourself, check out the link in the description box below for the latest deals. And if you made it to the end of this video, Comment the code word AI glasses and I'll give it a like, and as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.